Som Tam. So Songwat. That's it. So. Ah, yes, there's something here. Yes. This is the first spot. One of the famous pizza places. What else there is here? Oh. Maybe this is the installation. Oh, wait.
Here?
There. Like a slushy. Slushy. Pretty cool. Yes. Oh. Oh, it's okay.
First thing I wore my shoes.
And this tree is beautiful.
I'm so scared. Oh, I am too scared.
Beautiful place.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Pretty nice as a video too. So much Visa sponsorship.
No, the queue.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the queue. Yeah. Okay.
So I think maybe number 9, 8, and 7.
Okay, those are nice ones.
Okay, and this is the nice one,
Okay.
and this one.
Okay.
Yeah, but most of them different character.
Okay, so 4, 6, and then 8 and 9.
Yeah, this area car. We're gonna have number 10.
Okay.
You can go cross to number 9 and to number 8 by the sidewalk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. This wall is so pretty though. I wanna
Okay, so apparently, oh, there's stuff coming out of the car. Apparently, if we go in the car and then we change the song in the car, then everything else outside changes. So yeah, Chris is going in the car now to. Where are we going, Chris?
We are going to
Where are we going? Chiang Mai.
Japan.
Japan.
I have higher hopes and dreams.
We are
It's Japan for me, but look at the lights.
Ah, look at the lights. Okay,
It is
looking. See,
magnificent.
lights here. See.
Oh wow, it looks beautiful.
Mm.
And then let's
You have to
it
change
again.
the.
Oh, look. It's not like
Ooh,
a.
ooh.
Wow, that's
Oh, look at that. We're in Japan now.
We might be in Tokyo capital.
Tokyo,
now.
Tokyo,
Let
yes,
me
yes.
change
All
the
the-
song again.
All the neon lights.
Oh wow.
Oh, where
now
are we
we're in
now?
Bali.
Bali. Oh, we're in Bali now.
Bali. Sunset colors.
Sunset and everything.
Purple dreams. and all.
Mmm.
But this car is nice.
Chris wants to buy now. What brand is this? Lepas. What?
Lepas.
Lepas. Oh, that was
Here,
Lepas.
see? Lepas.
Lepas. What brand is this?
Whoa, look at the outside.
Oh,
It's
wow.
so beautiful, Coco. Oh my god. Wow,
Oh.
it's pretty. This song is very pretty.
Oh, yes, in the rear view mirror. Okay, let's look
Oh,
in the rear view mirror.
yay!
Okay, we're in Japan now. Chris is changing the lights from the inside now.
Especially because
You like the car now?
I really like this car. It smells so nice too.
I think it's closed now.
Yes. I'm happy. Then I don't have to buy it.
Whenever to be together up there and here, right here.
Oh, the guy is gone. I wanted the photo here.
Ah. Oh, this one?
em đang soi.
Oh, this is side one.
This, see, this is how you have to post. Yeah. Or like that. This is nice too. Which one do I like? You have to be This is maybe with your special someone someday.
Okay.
Let me do like something like this.
See. Heart.
It's not short. It's okay.
I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing. Walking around on those.
Nice, right?
What do you call them, Chris? Feet. Up where they walk, up where they run. This is nice too.
Oh, this one is nice.
Yes. Up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world.